Hello, I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present some important points of time management for students who value their time, and Arjuna Group Trust publication, and written by Mr. Amal M. Das, B.Tech Honors, IIT Kharagpur, forwarded by Dr. Kiran Bedi. Each one of us is awarded with 86,400 seconds every day. Use or lose it. Kiran said, people who don't take charge of their lives are lathi charged by time. Indeed, time is precious, and how you use your time decides what you will obtain in future. To try to use some tips to manage time without learning to live balanced life is like trying to find the sun in the night with the help of a torch light. Time is really the only capital that any human being has, and the only thing he cannot afford to lose. Thomas Edison. Time management is to always utilize every moment of time available in the best possible, most effective way towards the goal due to the maintained sense of urgency. A small fire does not give much heat, and a weak desire does not produce great results. However, when the fire is blazing or when the desire is burning, one can accomplish great feats. A blazing fire fully consumes every bit of wood, and in the same way, a strong desire impels a person to efficiently utilize every bit of time. We realize that we have no control over time, but time impracticably controls everyone. Time is beyond sense perception. All we can perceive is the effect of time. Thus, Aristotle, another Greek philosopher, contend time is the most unknown of all unknown things. It's not surprising when Einstein claimed the human mind is not capable of grasping the universe. Fact. What God is for the religions, assumption is for the scientists, and absolute authority, which is never questioned. Fundamental question: why should the universe follow a well defined set of laws at all? Srinivas Ramanujan once said, an equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. The laws of physics, therefore, themselves proves the wisdom and power of God. Lord Kelvin thus had to exclaim, if you study science deep enough and long enough, it will force you to believe in God. During failures, one should not become frustrated or depressed, since everyone's situation is different according to their past actions. One should not compare with others out of insecurity. Rather, one should analyze one's own endeavors, correct one's mistakes, improve upon any shortcomings, and with faith in God, continue studying sincerely. Time management means to select the most important tasks, those which affect your success the most, and to intelligently invest your time in them. Very important. The goal of time management is simple. It is to find out the major tasks you should focus on and then prioritize them. But major tasks are generally difficult and requires some hard work. Thus, we tend to remain occupied with simple, not so important tasks and call ourselves busy. So, don't busy without business. Thank you. Remaining part in next episode. I, Sanjeev Kumar.